Hey kiddos! Today we get to put together some cool animal puzzles and learn to count at the same time. I need your help finding where all these pieces go in this puzzle. Can you give me a hand? Alright, let's get started. These are the pieces that we need to complete the puzzle with. Each piece has a number on it. All we have to do is put the numbers in the correct order in the puzzle and we can complete the puzzle. Can you show me where number 1 is? Is this number 1? Nuh-uh. There is number 1. Now we have to find number 2. Is this number 2? Nope. How about this one? Yep, that's number 2. Next comes number 3. Can you show me where number 3 is? Is this number 3? Nuh-uh. How about this one? Yep, that's number 3. Now we gotta find number 4. Is this number 4? Nope. Here's number 4. Next comes number 5. Can you help me find number 5? Is this number 5? Nope. Here's number 5. Then comes number 6. Can you help me find number 6? Is this number 6? No. How about this one? Is that number 6? Nope. Here is number 6. Next comes number 7. Can you help me find number 7? Is this number 7? Nope. There's number 7. Next comes number 8. Is this number 8? No. How about this number? Is that number 8? Good job. After number 8 comes number 9. Is this number 9? Nope. There's number 9. To finish the puzzle, we need number 10. There's number 10. Let's count the numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! Here's a puzzle of a bunny rabbit. Just like in the last puzzle, we need to put the numbers in the correct order to complete the puzzle. Can you help me find number 1? Is this number 1? Nope. How about this one? Is that number 1? Nuh-uh. There's number 1. Now let's find number 2. Is this number 2? Nope. How about this piece? Is that number 2? Nuh-uh. Here is number 2. Now we need to find number 3. Is this number 3? Nope. Here is number 3. Next comes number 4. Is this number 4? No. How about this number? Is that number 4? Yep. Now we need to find number 5. Is this number 5? Nope. How about this one? Is that number 5? That's correct. Next comes number 6. Is this number 6? Nuh-uh. How about this one? Is that number 6? Nope. Here is number 6. Now comes number 7. Is this number 7? Nuh-uh. How about that one? Is that number 7? Yep. After 7 comes number 8. Is this number 8? Nope. How about this one? Is that number 8? That's correct. Next comes number 9. Is this number 9? Yep. And the last one is number 10. Good job, kids. Let's count the numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks again for being so helpful with these puzzles, kids. Until the next video.